Good day, my craft along buddies. This is Jennifer with Just Crafting Along. Welcome to my channel. Well, good day, my craft along buddies, and welcome back. Today we're going to dive right into another Crafter's Companion Craft Club. This is going to be number 16. Oh my goodness, 16 months of this. Shimmering Inkpad techniques. So this one looked adorable. I did not skip this one. I was going to, and then I was like, no, you can always use ink pads, and you can always use the things that are inside the kits. So I did not skip this one. I did do another video for 15. I don't believe I got anything in between 11 and 15, though. I do believe I skipped those ones. So we're kind of back on a roll now. We'll see what number 17 is. I might skip that one, not for sure. Some of them are things that I already have or things that I know that I would not be interested in. Craft Club was a great thing to get into. It gives you just enough stuff to kind of get started and to see if you would like that technique. Like this one, this is ink pads. This is shimmering ink pads. Everyone loves shimmering ink pads. Everyone loves ink pads. So let's see what this kit has. I don't believe I even opened this kit yet. So let me go ahead and open it with you. Usually I try to get everything out of the envelopes the first time I'm looking at it. So let me see. I do know I watched, I've been trying to watch the videos to see if I want the craft clubs. And what was happening before, I think there was a couple between 11 and 15 that I wanted, but there was no videos, so I did not look into getting them. So I kind of skipped them, and now that there's videos out, I'm kind of going back into them. I haven't even opened this one yet. I did see the video on it, and I did give this one a thumbs up to go ahead and get. So again, y'all know how much I love these bags. These bags are great. Love those bags. You do get an information booklet, which is great. It gives you lots of ideas on what to do and how to do them, and what techniques, and you can take notes if you need to. So we're gonna go ahead and put that aside. You are gonna get some finger daubers. You can get 5 of those. 5 of those. We're gonna get some ink pads. They look to be vibrant ink pads too, so that's good. So we are gonna get Ruby, Lime Soda, Starlight Sky, Golden Honey, and Amethyst. So you got a little bit of purple, blue, gold, red, and greenish, like a lime greenish color, like a light green. So here's some card panels. So not card blanks or anything. These are card panels to do your designs on and then put them on top of a card. So this is your watercolor cardstock. Oh good, it's squared pieces. I just got 5x7 pieces, it looks like, in the last kit. Here's your plastic stencils. I don't know if you got any stamps. Have a look. So here's your stencils. This is a flower stencil, kind of cute. Fits that, and that's why these are square. So let me hold this up. That's that one. Kind of cute. Here's your kind of, here we go. Oh, and look at these hearts. Those are cute. Adorable. So there's those. Let's put everything on there. We did. Then we got, oh, we did get a pair of stamps. I was wondering, I was like, should we get stamps? So here's your stamps. Oh, you did get the big stamps. Lovely people just like you deserve to have their dreams come true. And so on this special day, may your luck be blessings comes your way. Hello, a butterfly. Oh, that's cute. I like that bouquet. So simple stamps, kind of cute. Do like that. This is a nice happy birthday too. That's a big happy birthday. This one is your die cut sentiment. So they did give you some stuff that's already die cutted out. So all you gotta do is ink dab over top of them and then put them on your card. So I'm gonna put these back in so they don't get hurt. And what we're gonna do, like we always do, is clean up, get some stuff out, and we're gonna make a card. So let's go ahead and pick out what card we're gonna make with this cute little set. Let me put these aside before they roll away. Let's see. Oh, this happy birthday one's really cute. That's really cute. We'll celebrate with the big stencil, and then I think I like this one. I think I'm gonna go with this happy birthday. and do this on a smaller card, maybe. And I'm not even going to use watercolor. I think I'm going to, and then you can put this on the inside too. So let me go ahead and get my colors out. I think I'm going to go more, I don't know, I kind of like this. I like this a lot. So we might just stay with this and make it more kind of subtle, simple. We're in simple cards today. I think we're going to do something simple. So let's go ahead and let's do this one. So I'm going to get my card base out. I think I'm going to go pick out my colors and figure out what we're going to do. So I'm going to clean up my mess a little bit and we'll go from there. So I'm going to do a purple card. I'm going to go ahead and use this, the panels that this came with. Is this panels? Yeah. So we're going to use a white panel because we're going to be coloring that one down a little bit. So we're going to use that white panel. And I'm not even going to put, it shows you a matte layer. I'm not even going to matte layer. I think I'm going to use this as my front. And I'm going to go kind of small on this. I think I'm going to leave a lot of purple. Let me get it right in the middle though, because this is an A2 card, I believe. And we're going to just trim up that bottom piece. And we're going to try to get it right so it's kind of even a little bit. And we're going to go right, get my pencil. And we're just going to make a line right. We're going to eyeball it. We're going to go right here. So let's go ahead and cut that piece off. And then this is going to be like this is literally, if you get invited to a birthday party and you have to run out the door, you will like, hold on 1 second. I have to make a card, and you can make a card in like 10 minutes. This is literally going to be like a 10-minute card. This is going to be a little bit of paint splattering in a 10-minute card. So we're going to go ahead and cut this down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. We're going to work on this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do our happy birthday, and then we're going to splatter around it. So we're just going to put that in there. We're going to get this stamp. These stamps are really cute, and they're big. They're big stamps. So they're really big. So we're just going to give this a little bit of love. And I feel like we almost need to make sure this is up here, because I think we're going to have to re-stamp this happy birthday. We're going to go ahead and put this happy birthday down. Actually, I'm going to do it a little different than, no, I'm going to do it the other way. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape this down so it doesn't move on me. So when we get done, we're going to re-stamp this at the end to make that happy birthday a little bit darker. So we're going to need to have this all the way up in the corner. And we're going to have to make sure that it's going to stamp good the second time around. So let's go ahead and put this right in the middle. And give it a good push. We're going to take out the amethyst, which is, so we're just going to give this a little bit of love and rub this off a little bit, just to kind of get those oils off. We're going to dab this on there. This is such a pretty color too. Something with the inks from them are kind of pulling up a little bit, so I think they're just really juicy. So, or there's lots of oils on their stamps, because the last couple of sets I've been using seem to be really juicy and kind of bubbling up a little bit. So we're going to ink that one more time. Go ahead and get that out. Let me go ahead and do this P one more time. There we go. We're going to leave this together. We're going to leave this put together like this because we're going to go ahead and re-ink again. So we're going to leave those two here. We're going to put this here, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. So I do have a splatter box, so I might be getting that out. I'll put that over there. So next thing we're going to do is, all I'm going to do is open all these. I'm going to get you some water. And we're going to have a little bit of fun. Here's a little bit of water. And what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a big towel. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of go rogue on our own. Oh, we got to open this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and smush this down on my desk. And we're going to smush this color down on the desk. We're gonna smush this color down on the desk. Oh, that was a big smush. That was an oopsie smush. We're gonna get just a little bit of water, and then we're gonna kind of tap it in here, and then we're gonna kind of clean off our brush, and then we're just gonna kind of go back and forth. There we go. Works for me. And we're gonna go ahead and pick up this purple. And then we're gonna go this way with it. A little bit more water to get those splatters going. So we're going to clean off our brush. Grab a little bit more water, get it in here. Maybe a little bit more purple. And get a little bit more purple. Just gonna kind of grab it. Okay, that looks good. Pull it off to the side, rinse off your brush. You can go ahead and maybe we'll do that to our card too. I think I might. I think I'm gonna get my splatter box out for that one though. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right back in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right back over that with our, make sure it's up on the corner. Tape it down, make sure it's pushed. Tape it down. We're gonna go right back over that with our purple. There we go. Let me pull this off. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my splatter box, and I am gonna put gold all over my purple envelope, or my purple card base. Let me grab my splatter box inside. We're gonna do a little bit more gold honey. I'm gonna put that right here. Spoop. I really like this gold honey. It's very pretty, very shimmery. Very, very shimmery. So we're gonna go ahead and get this a little wet. And we're gonna go splattery. This is really cute. All right, so here's our splattered. Looks pretty good. So, and here's our card. I mean, this was super easy. It was by far the easiest thing I think I've ever done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on this. Okay, so there's this. I'm gonna take these off, and then that is pretty much it. We might put some gems on this just to kind of give it a little, I have colored gems from Crafter's Companion also. So, but here's all the cute little stamps. I like that they named them. I haven't used the finger dabbers yet. I didn't need to. Finger dabbers are 100% something that every crafter needs. I use finger dabbers all the time. Let's make sure it's the opening's facing you. Make sure your edge is straight. Then we are gonna eyeball it. I think that's good. Oh, look at how cute that is. See, I would never came up with this ideal. I mean, I went a little bit more scraggly than kind of blotchy like they did. They probably, I like this. So let me go ahead and get some gems. I'm just gonna do some clear gems and call it done. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It is really cute. So I usually do, my norm is 3 in the corner. And then if you don't like, these are sticky ones, they're not glued, so they come up kind of easy. If you want to move them around, if you don't like the way it looks, I kind of like these ones. The ones that you have to glue, I have a set that you have to glue. Not a fan of those, just because you can't change your mind. This one you can kind of change your mind. This one I can put here, right here, and one more right. There we go. Oh my goodness, it turned out so cute. With or without the gems. I'm going to keep the gems. If I don't like them, I'll just take them off. But this is our card. How adorably cute is that? Even the seam would go really good in here. And it would actually fit too. This is the sentiment would actually fit in this card. So this would be cute in here too. So I think I might actually put the saying in there. I'm not for sure. I'm going to ponder on that. But this is our card. This is craft kit number 16. Here's your inks that you get. You do get a lot of shimmering inks. You get 5 shimmering inks with a lot of daubers. You do get some stencils. You also get this big stamp. You also get some water cardstock and some white panels. The card base was my own, but everything else was included in the kit except for the gems. This is my finished card. I hope you guys like what you saw today. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for watching, my Craft Along buddies. If you loved what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and see you soon.